How's it going, traders? Welcome to this video. Today I will be going over finding a high liquidity zone and pretty much creating a trade out of that. So let's hop right into it. Okay, first let's go over the market structure of USD. So you can see from March to 2020, back in the major COVID days, we have the price coming up making higher highs and higher lows like this. And then when price got to right here, it did not create a higher high, so but instead it broke this low here. And when that happened, price in my opinion is considered to be bearish, right? So now we have a lower high, low low, lower high, low low, low high, low low, and now in this area here we have a lower high that is testing first of all, it's an equal high of this area here, and then it's test a previous support. And we come back down here, we have a low here, and now in the current price action we're pulling back for a lower high that's in previous support right here. So what does this have to do with the high liquidity zone? So I'm gonna come here and draw a rectangle right there, and if we go down to the 4 hour here, we start to see let's get rid of this. We're starting to see multiple a zone where there's multiple traders, buyers and sellers in one zone. So if you come here, we'll see that we have buyers here, and now we have sellers that. So how can we create a trade out of this? Well, since I've just reason why I went over the bullish market structure early in the video, so as you can see that price is pretty much in a bearish market structure. So if that was if it was up to me to place a trade in the zone, I would be bearish. So with that being said, I'm going to grab my trend line tool, because that is my main entry for most of my trades, even on the lower time frame. So we grab our trend line tool here. What we can do is we can wait and see what price action does. We got a high liquidity zone up in here. Price could come up and test the zone again, and then as it comes back, we can get in on a higher low, like maybe this one, this higher low here, and this previous bullish market structure. We wait for them to come up and test the zone, and then go back short with the overall trend. So this could be a good entry, or they would they could possibly do another higher low closer up here, and then you can do an entry like that. So I will be waiting for them to do one of those two entries here, and I will be targeting the origin of this move, and that would give us, let's see here, a possible, talking about let's move that down here, a little over 260. They give us a higher low that's higher than this one, 260, and if they wait for them to break this low here, that would be close to about 200 pips. But so let's say they do this and price start to continue off into we got this bullish market structure, and then they do that, they break our higher low, and the price start to continue down. Now we're looking at price coming back into the daily support here. This daily support around 1.60, and we could even target as low as this move here, and that would be even more pips for like swing traders and whatnot. Let me just zoom this out, and if we can hold to down here, that would be even over 300 plus pips, and you get a nice entry, clean entry up into this area here. So that would be actually pretty great. So yeah, that concludes it. This is pretty much an example of a high liquidity zone with Euro USD, and these zones are found many times throughout many different charts, and they are very powerful if used correctly. So if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next one.